Today we're in the seed room again, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the shelves. The shelves that we got from the school, you can also pick them up at Home Depot or Lowe's or pretty much anywhere. But the shelves that they come with are press board, and press board doesn't deal with water very well, or at all. We had to figure out a solution for that. So we did a little bit of research and found out online that you can get an oil-based paint to put on them, as opposed to an acrylic or a water-based paint. The problem with the paint is it takes a little bit longer to dry or cure. So we're having to wait 24 hours between every coat. We'll do a coat, then we'll flip the board over 24 hours later, do another coat, flip the board over again 24 hours later, and then we're gonna put a white coat on top. The white coat is so that it reflects light and it gives the seedlings a better start. Speaking of light and seedlings, we did get our 8-foot lights that I talked about in the last video from Amazon. We haven't hung them yet. We're gonna do that after we get all the shelves painted. And we also got our heat mats, and those will also go up after the shelves get painted. So the next step is my wife's gonna put the white coat on the top of these. So while she's putting a white coat of paint on the top of these, I'll be in the other room washing the seed trays. We make sure that we wash our seed trays every year. We put bleach on them. We wanna make sure that we kill all the disease from the previous year. So my wife's done painting all the shelves and I'm done cleaning all the trays. We got all our parts in from Amazon. We got our timers. I got 2 timers, one for the heat mats and one for the lights. I also have our heat mats in. We got 4 4-foot heat mats, so we got 16 feet of heat mat. We got our 8-foot lights in. I don't have the top shelf on because I want to show you I had to put a wooden brace across so that I could attach the light to it. So if you get these same shelves like I have, you're going to have to put something across to affix the light to. Down here we have all our trays on this one just to see how many we could fit. We could actually fit 9 trays. I thought I was only going to get 8, but we got 9. So that'll give me a total of 18 trays on both of these shelves. As soon as these are done germinating, as soon as the plants pop, you want to move them to your other shelf. So I'm going to move mine either up or down, because once they are on the heat mat and they've germinated, they'll get leggy or they'll just become unhealthy. You get all kinds of problems, and that's not good for the plants. The other cool thing about these lights is they all connect together with these lines, and then the end one, you have a line that has an on-off button on it. There's 6 lights that come in the box, and they have 6 of these end plugs. I'm only using 1 end plug right now because I have them hooked together. So they hook together on the ends with these connectors. There's also a little white connector that you hook between them when you butt them together. Instead of having a span or a distance between them, you can hook them right up against each other. Now I wanted to show you guys the light or the lux amount from these lights as opposed to the Harbor Freight lights that I had before. These ones are putting out about 2,000 lux on each side of the tray, and then right in the middle of the tray they're putting out about 3,000 lux. So that's plenty of light for the plants. So all of our heat mats, lights, and timers are going to have a link in the description below. You can just click on that link and buy them straight off Amazon. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it does support our channel, so we thank you for that.
Hi y'all. I just wanted to let you know why we're a little bit late with our video this week. On St. Patrick's Day 2022, a fire broke out here in Ranger, and it was all hands on deck. We lost a very beautiful church, the Second Baptist Church here. We almost lost our museum. We've lost a few other buildings in town. No life was lost, thank God. We're okay. The fire was a block away from our building. A lot of people had a lot of damage. There were whole towns that were taken out. This so far has been the largest fire in Texas history. We appreciate y'all's prayers. Tomorrow is Monday. It's supposed to be severe weather, hail the size of tennis balls, and on, maybe possible tornadoes. So please pray for us here in Ranger. Texas strong. We're thankful for your prayers, and we're thankful for our community. And it was wonderful just to see everybody come together. Unity in the community is what we're all about.
If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. We'll get to them, or we'll make a video about it. If you want to see the beginning of this project, click here. And if you want to watch and see what we're growing this year, click here.